This is the Avaya 1403 digital phone. The 1403 is ideal for drop-in desks, lobbies, offices, or stockrooms. The 1403 is perfect for the everyday worker whose phone is not a crucial part of their daily communication. The 1403 features a 2x16 character display and high-quality speakerphone. The display is white backlit, making it easy to see in any lighting condition. Included with the Avaya 1403 digital phone is the phone base, handset cord, and line cord. Here at Atlas Phones, we have over 40,000 square feet of telecom inventory and offer same-day shipping on orders placed by 5 p.m. Each of our products include a 1-year warranty with extended warranty options available for up to 5 years. We've been helping people in business since 1998, and we hope this video helped you too. You can give us a call today at 888-567-5194 or visit our website www.atlasphones.com.